Hello, lovelies. Welcome to Buzzing Bee Cakes. If you are new here, big hugs and a warm welcome to the hive. And to my returning Buzzing Bee family, thank you for always buzzing in. I truly appreciate your love and support. Today, we are baking a super simple and yummy fruit cake that's perfect for any occasion. All the ingredients I used are listed there in the description box, so feel free to check it out before we start. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we cream our margarine and sugar till it's light and fluffy. Then I added in the eggs and mix. Now add your flour, baking powder, and give that a good mix. Then you add in the cherries and of course our soaked fruits, the real star of the show. I added vanilla and milk. Give it a good mix. Make sure you don't overmix your batter. Pour into a prepared loaf pan. Bake until your kitchen smells like Christmas or like a bakery that refuses to close. Our cake is ready. Let's slice into it. It looks so good and yummy. And yes, I tasted it and it's absolutely delicious. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more delicious recipes and tell me in the comments if you try this fruitcake. And to my Buzzing Bee fam, don't forget to like, comment and share. See you in the next one. Bye.